Someone once said, imagination is everything. This image was taken by one of my past photography students. He invited a senior into the studio to practice with. The senior forgot her volleyball, so I told my student, hey, this is a great opportunity for you to try superimposing an object into an image with Photoshop. You see, this is what separates a portrait photographer from someone just taking a picture. Not only will learning this unique skill will increase your creativity, but it will allow you to make almost anything possible. Well, at least in the digital world. When you photograph someone, whether it's a senior, a headshot, or even a large family, you're leaving your imprint. You're creating memories. You're capturing a distinct moment in time. You're becoming a part of their lives. That portrait will be seen for generations to come. Not to mention, the topic of conversation when this young senior's great-granddaughter sees this portrait will be, hey, you see this ball I'm holding? It wasn't really there.